everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me teach you on how to re-roll Pokemon TCG Pocket. Re-rolling in Gacha games involves creating new or mutable accounts to repeatedly try for a specific character, item, or card, maximizing chances despite low pull rates. This action should only be considered at the very start of the game as the time investment involves it. While it is possible to re-roll Pokemon TCG Pocket, you can only do so by creating a new account. Rerolling is recommended only if you're willing to lose save data or manage multiple accounts in Pokemon TCG Pocket. To maximize results, complete the tutorials and beginner missions, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring access to maximum number of booster packs. However, rerolling multiple times can be time consuming. Now to do it, tap on the options menu or the three lines icon below. Next, tap Other, and then select Account. Select Delete Save Data. Remember, this cannot be undone, so choose wisely. After that, set up a new account. Now choose the best starter pack for you. Open the free Mewtwo pack. Continue playing until you've completed the tutorial after your first Wonder pick. Continue playing by completing the beginner missions, spending the hourglasses you earn for additional booster packs, and using Wonder pick again. Doing so will most likely bring you to level 4. Unhappy with your cards? Continue doing this until you're satisfied with your cards. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. And we'll see you on the next video.